Today, my hands moved slowly through familiar motions, each piece aligned with care, like memories we share. Time flows through my fingertips, moving forward, never back today. Round and round we dance along to rhythms we can't stay. Time flows through my fingertips and carries us away. Meine Werkstatt, meine Welt, jedes Rad hat seinen Platz. Tick und Tock, ein sanfter Tanz, wie die Jahre schnell vergehen. The brass is cold against my skin, these tools we've always known, but something's shifting deep within the patterns I've been shown. Time flows through my fingertips, I try to hold each second still, to keep you here with me. But every gear and every wheel reminds me we're not free. All these perfect circles, all these measured spaces, can I capture what we had in their mechanical embraces? These hands keep moving forward through motions worn and true. Each tick marks one more moment that carries me from you. Time flows through my fingertips,